Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I'm an online tutor. I'm the founder of Nisha Tutor. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve number and geometry problems by creating and solving a linear equation. Word problems can be tricky, so I'm giving you important phrases. It will help you. Like a number, it means a variable, is means equal, and more than, it means addition, less than, it means subtraction, like that. So here is the question. If 28 less than 5 times a certain number is 232, what is the number? A certain number, it means this is unknown number, you can write x. 5 times a certain number. 5 times means multiply, so 5x. 28 less than, it means subtract 28, is equal 232. Okay, so we got linear equation. This is now we can solve very easily. 5x, both side add 28, we get 260, and now both side divide by 5, so 260 divided by 5 we get 52, and this is the answer. Okay, what is the number? 52. 5 times 52, then subtract 28, we get 232. Okay, now second question. Find sorry 15 more than 3 times a number is the same as 10 less than 6 times the number. What is the number? Number is x. 3 times a number, 3x. 15 more than, add 15. 10 less than 6 times the number, 6 times the number, less than 10, is, so here equal. We got linear equation, we can solve very easily. Subtract both sides 3x, so 15. You can subtract 6x also, but you will get in negative, so I prefer actually positive, so that's why I did both sides subtract 3x. 6x minus 3x, 3x minus 10. Okay, now add 10 both sides. So this is 25 equal 3x. Now what is x value? 25 divided by 3. Okay, this is the answer. Now next question. The sum of three consecutive integers is 93. Consecutive, it means like every next number, neighboring numbers. For example, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are integers and consecutive integers. Okay, so let first one is x, so obvious this is x plus 1, and third one is x plus 2. For example, x is 4, so 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 2 6. You can add them because here says the sum of these numbers. Okay, is equal 93. Now open parenthesis and combine like terms, so 3x plus 3 equal 93. Now subtract 3 both side, we get 90. So both side divide by 3, we get 30. So what is our first answer? What are the integers? 30, 31, 32. Okay. Now next question. This is the sum of three consecutive even integers. Even integers, we let x, x plus 2, x plus 4, and you can add them, right? Is equal 246. Okay, you can solve this one very easily. I am not solving because this is very simple. Okay, now Find three consecutive odd integers so that the sum of twice the first, the second, and the third times the third is 152. Okay, so here odd integers same. You can take x, first one, second x plus 2, third x plus 4. Okay, so here says the sum of twice the first. Okay, you can multiply 2 here, make twice. The second, write as it is. And third, this one. Here says 3 times the third. Okay, you can multiply 3 and add them. Equal 152. And you got this linear equation, and you can solve very easily. Open parentheses, then combine like terms, and then you can solve. This is also very easy question. Okay, now here, okay, this is geometry question, and their use also algebra. The second angle of a triangle is double the first. The third angle is 40 less than the first. Find the three angles. So in a triangle, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. So what is first angle? Let x. Second one. The second angle of a triangle is double the first. Okay, double the first. Now third angle. The third angle is 40 less than the first. It means x minus 40. Okay, you can add them, this first, second, third. When we add them, we get 180. So what is our first angle? X, second angle 2x, and third angle x minus 40 equal 180. Okay, you got this linear equation, and we can combine like terms. 4x minus 40 equal 180. Now both side add 40, so we get 220. And now both side divide by 4, we get 55. So first angle is 55 degree, second 2 times x, so you can multiply 2, 110 degree, and third angle is 55 minus 40, which is 15 degree. And when you add them, you will get 180. So this is our first angle, second angle, and third angle. So you can solve very easily geometry problems also with linear equation. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.